AI.
AI.
Newest technology.
Is this the future of healthcare?
I think AI could improve the preventive healthcare system so patients can be provided with better healthcare and will understand their body and health much better and easier. The OpenEarable is a multi-sensing platform that uses AI to make sense of a bunch of data that we can measure at the human body.
The challenges that we are facing when we are building AI for different wearables, such as earphones, is that the machine learning models have to be very tiny and very resource efficient. And this is a big challenge that we are looking into in our research. We develop wearables in different areas, from the hardware to the software and the AI applications. So we have a very diverse group of people who come from different backgrounds. Some have studied electrical engineering, others have studied computer science, and also human sciences when we run human subject studies. So there's over 30 phenomena that we can measure with earables, which include very basic things such as vital signs, including your heart rate or your respiration rate, but also more advanced applications such as stroke detection. A recent project we're currently working on is detection of temporomandibular disorders. So this affects about a third of the population, and it's where, for example, habitual chewing on one side can create serious facial pain. We're using earables to measure the different chewing sides of a person in order to create an objective diagnostic tool.
Allergy is a really interesting topic that we try to investigate, since the OpenEarables, they can sense certain reactions like sniffing, frequent swallowing, or a throat clearing. If you're taking a walk and there are, for example, certain kind of pollens, you will get those reactions if you have allergy. The OpenEarable could sense those reactions. It could be like it's your automatic diary over your reactions that you can then discuss with the doctors.
With the rise of AI in the recent years, we're already seeing a lot of progress and impact on the medical field. I think it's only going to help us even more in the future. At the same time, we also need to make sure that the things that we are building and the systems we are creating also consider ethical problems.